So good morning. It's Friday the 15th of May and it's another frosty start this morning, but we're going to give you an update of the Vegemite bed. So what have we got to do in May? So sow dwarf French beans, individual pots, and pot up the kale seedlings. Keep them on a windowsill. So water your runner beans regularly. Make sure they harden them off before they plant it out in May. Turn and water your young leeks so they continue to grow. So let's have a look. So this is the Vegemite bed and we're in May. And this morning we had a frost. Well, forecasted a frost, but the close we got to a frost was this little lettuce. But there wasn't really much. Always a bit warmer down south. But as you can see, this hasn't been weeded since April. And just look at the little few weeds there are. Really impressed with this no-dig bed. This is the second year. And the weeds that are here, they just pull out easy. So I'm just going to weed this and we'll get on with an update of my bed. One good tip for pulling thistles out, if you've got no gloves, is to just dig deep and grab the roots, and you don't get stung. So this is why you've got to take every little tiny potato out, because even the smallest one sends out a shoot. And I'm going to put this in a bucket, see if we can grow it on. So this is my little potato, and I'm just going to stick it in this pot. And I'm just going to see what it does. See if anything comes from it, from a potato in a flower pot. Worth a go. So just a few minutes pulling up the weeds. It's amazing how different it is with a no-dig bed. So this is our update, and in rows 1 and 2 we have our potatoes, and these are coming out really good now. And then rows 3 and 4 is the broad beans. They look to be a bit cold. And then the next row is the lettuce. This is our little drum lettuce. So the next rows are empty, and on the end we have a random potato in the middle, and on the end is the radish, and this is the snowball radish. So May at a glance, and looking at the plot, it's coming on, not looking too bad. So one of my jobs this morning, sow dwarf French beans into individual pots and keep them warm, and also pot up the kale seedlings and keep them on the windowsill to develop. The mine are in the polytunnel and they're growing quite well. Let me show you the kale. And this is the cow, and it's doing quite well. This was done beginning of April, middle of April. This is curly cow. So one of today's jobs is to sow dwarf French beans. So the variety I've got are Ferrari, top quality slender pods, sow April to July, fillet type, stringless, resist disease. I'm just opening the packet. I've got a cell tray here. Choose a fairly deepish one, deeper than some of the other ones. This is the seeds. And we've got our tray, and we're just going to put 2 in each cell. There we go, 2 in each. Just going to press them down. And job done. Keep the rest. They can go outside. So all I'm going to do then is just press them down. Cover with compost. So that's it, French dwarf beans done. I'm going to give them a quick water. And then they're going to go onto my shelf to grow on. So that's the beans done for May. So the bamboo canes are in for the broad beans. And we probably need to de-weed the potatoes. And we'll give them an earthing out. So another productive morning, well before 8 o'clock in the morning. So thank you for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. So keep safe everybody. Thank you very much. Cheers!